Alright, welcome back you guys. Today we're going to be switching out the side view mirror on the 2003 Ford Excursion. Now, this thing does come, since it's the limited edition, it comes with these old ones, the smaller ones. And these ones are the towing ones. They are the round ones because it's a 2000 model, and I picked this up locally. One of the reasons I picked them up is because they were just $20, and the guy was nice enough to give me the adapter that comes with it, along with the screws or the nuts that go with it. And this thing is pretty simple tools you need. A couple of, these little pry bars, flathead screwdriver. Sockets you're gonna need is a 11, 7, and optional 730 32, but I'm gonna show you guys why we need that, just to make things a little easier. And the adapters for these, since these are for the newer models, 2001 and above or newer, these adapters, the guy was nice enough to give them to me. They just click on here and you got yourself a 99 2000 model plug-in. So let me show you guys what needs to be removed for this thing to be installed. And we do have to take off the door panel, and I'll show you guys how to do that. Really simple, so let's get to it. Alright, so we got the 2000 Excursion. I haven't done a few videos on this lately, so now taking off the door panel, this thing needs to come off. It just pops up right here. There's actually a screw in there that you need to unscrew. There's a small little screw behind this little thing, so this needs to come off. There's also a nut here that needs to come off, nut up here, and there's two more here, so this needs to come off too. And the door panel just kind of lifts up. You're gonna have to unplug all the wires here, all the plugs, and I'll show you guys how it's done. Pretty simple, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so just pulled this thing out, clips came off, and we're gonna go ahead and install the other one. Alright, so I went ahead and mounted that thing with just one nut for now. I put the speaker back on and I put the controllers back on just to test it out to make sure that it does work before we put everything back together. And let's go ahead and check. Mirror works and all the windows and stuff work. So now we're going to take that back off, put the door panel back on, and finish up the job. Alright guys, so we're all done with the job, and like always I've already done the other side, so this is what it looks like when you're done. I think they came out pretty good. I like the towing mirrors already. Now eventually I'm probably gonna go with those rectangular square looking ones, but honestly this thing with the shape of this truck, I think it looks better with these, so I gotta see what I feel like after a couple of weeks or so, maybe a month. But during the install, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I do want to explain one thing. There was a gap here that I noticed, and I had to go back and readjust that, and there was a couple of hooks that weren't hooked in its place, so that's why I was having a hard time kind of snapping this thing back in place. But after you get those hooks in, everything works out pretty good. And I already tried them out already. Controllers work, everything works. And these should be the same from 99 model all the way to 2007, I believe. So same deal, same process, probably even newer ones. And the other thing was, I just need to get some new tires for this thing. I've been looking for some. I just need to make up my mind, you know, what to get. These are 37s, so. But all in all, it came out good. One more thing upgraded in this thing. And I guess that's it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Again, I really appreciate you guys watching and commenting and everything. And like I said, I love the comments. I don't care if it's positive. I don't care if it's negative. I love them. So keep it coming, and if you like, hit that like button and share it with friends. I learned something, you guys can learn something from this, and that's how it goes. And thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.